So here's how you can annotate with Apple Pencil on Keynote on iPad while using the screen recording, right? So it is a very nice tool for teaching something, right? So a lot of people prepare their presentations in a Keynote, and here's how it basically works. Well, you need to open up the app and get inside of your existing projects, right? So whatever it might be, you just need to find the presentation that you had in mind. And essentially, you need to at first start the screen recording in the control center. It is going to be right there. I would recommend you to hold down on the toggle and enable the microphone as well so you can speak over it, right? That's very useful. And once you're inside of the actual Keynote app, you can press the play button to start, the presentation. The various slides will go after each other. And right now you can just touch the screen with the Apple Pencil and the drawing tools will appear immediately, right? So you can just be explaining some topic and just mention or draw some arrow to a place or point something out, circle something on the presentation, and it is all shown right there. So if you then click the next arrow or just move to another slide, you can see that the drawing only stayed in that previous the slide, right? It doesn't move to another. So right now you can switch to a different color and you can just circle something else or, play around, do whatever you gotta do to explain the topic. And of course, once you exit the play mode, you can see that it doesn't get saved as the drawing or annotation was only there to explain the whole topic. It's not it's not supposed to be part of the presentation itself. So I hope it makes sense. It's pretty simple, right? But you need to make sure that everything works fine. Obviously, do not forget to stop and save the screen recording once you are done. But that is about it. Let me know what you think below. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials and similar videos like this one. And I'll catch you in the future ones.